Hi there, this is Yogi Virendra Yogi. Beloved friends, I'm a patriot of the rank of the Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Walpal, and anybody who has dedicated, committed, and to serve the motherland. Starting from the people who sacrificed their life to liberate Mother India from the cycles of slavery. And right till this moment, I love my motherland and love 1.35 billion people of India. But what we have to do, we have all coherently unite together and try to make India self-reliant, self-confident. Make in India projects of my best friend, Honorable Prime Minister Modi, can be fulfilled only all the industrialists and entrepreneurship of India unite together. Our beloved friend Mukesh Ambani has developed Jio 5G. Huawei has no place in India. America and UK has already banned Huawei, and now Jio G5 will spread all over the world. And similar is the case with a lot of people like Anand Mahindra, who is really challenging the Chinese hegemonistic approach, cheap and useless products supplying to India and earning billions of dollars and trying to fight against India. So dear friends, that is the unity of India. The people of India should unite together. They should not start criticizing each other. They should not start hurting the sentiments of each other, because to run a business is not an easy joke. It is not a child's play. It needs a lot of brain, lot of intelligence, lot of putting things in right direction and right place. Recently you must have heard some rumors about one of the most reputed and one of the best company in India, that is GVK Group of Industries. I tell you very honestly, this is the brainchild of some crooked and some evils Indians who has been trying to grab some of the companies of the GVK Group of Industries, and when they have failed miserably, they have united and they have hatched conspiracy to defame such a great company like GVK Group of Industries. I challenge the people who really criticize one of the greatest, the towering personality of India, the power personality who is dealing with different callings and different areas of business, right from power sector to infrastructure, to the construction, to the hospitality, to the biotechnology, and to the airport industries, and count a few. There are several industries which he is conducting, operating, and really serving the Mother India. Such people should be encouraged. Such people should be motivated. Such people should be inspired, because it is the brain. It is not the numbers of the people which can make India great. It is the brain, the mind of the people which can make India great. Dhirubhai Ambani was one such great person. Anand Mahindra legacy, Birla legacy. Count a few. There are several great people of India, J.R.D. Tata. They are the people who really laid the foundations of India's growth and prosperity. And these fighting groups, in our history, you will see, they fought among themselves when India was slave. India could not rise to the supreme, ancient, glorious glamour and greatness because of these evils and devils who knew nothing but only fighting, criticizing, backbiting, defaming. I want to silence these people who really believe in fighting. I invite those great people who believe in coherent forces. Unite together, Indian industrialists. Challenge the Indian hegemonistic approach. Make every product in India. And to run a business is a job. By running business, you are giving millions of Indians job. There is a big problem in India of employment. Narendra Modi trying his best, but his arms, his soldiers, the right and left are our industrialists. The Tatas, the Birlas, the GVK Group of Industries, and so many industries, they are really providing jobs to the millions of the people in India. They should be respected. They should be honored, because they are serving the motherland with their intelligence and brains. They have different projects. They are making different products. They are making India self-reliant. Now JLR is producing the best cars in the world and giving to the India. Mahindra is making the best tanks and defense equipments for India. Birla is rendering such great service. GVK Group of Industries. Look at his contribution. Oh, critical, ruined mass, criticizing only. Look at the airport of Bombay. The face has been changed. A new airport is coming. It will be matchless. Nothing will be parallel in the world. The best airport is coming. It is not easy. It is the devotion. It is the passion. It is the love for the motherland. It is love for the people of India. Idiots! Fight! Criticize. Do the leg pulling, which is famous for Indian characters of these evils and devils. That way cannot make India great. India can be only great when we have to see that we are coherently united like laser beam and fulfilling the dreams of whatever Prime Minister of India. Make in India, a self-reliant India. Everything can be done. Nothing is impossible. Man can go to the moon. Man can go to the Mars. Man can do everything else. But the man should have character. Honesty, integrity and humility should be the creed, not the fighting with those who have defeated you at every front. Satyamev Jayate. Truth alone triumphs. Remember, once you are raising one finger to a great man, bloody fools, you are raising so many fingers to yourself. Shameless. Look into your own activity, what you are doing. I don't like to dwell at length. GVK Group of Industries is one of the most reputed, one of the versatile, diversified company, dedicated, committed to serve the motherland India and its billions of the people, 1.35 billion people. To say at the bottom line, he is not only earning money for his family, he is earning name, fame, reputation for Mother India. He is serving millions of people, saving lives. When the Emergency Management Research Institute was sinking, the then Chief Minister Rajshekhar Reddy, trusted Honorable G.V. Krishna Reddy sir, called him and gave me the responsibility. Today GVK MRI is doing wonderful job. It is saving lives. It is philanthropy. It is not for money. It is to save the lives of the people who are victims. Majority of the people are poor, who can't afford. Shameless. Those who are criticizing what you have done. What is your contribution? Business cannot be run. Business has some traits and tricks. But see the contribution. See the growth and prosperity of the motherland. How much they have contributed. Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy has fulfilled the dreams of